Today, for this vlog, I'm going to be making a salad for lunch. I ate a banana earlier and I've been eating some honeydew melon, and I redid my nails. So while I was preparing to make this video, I got a knock on the door and my Amazon package is here, so we gonna unbox that. If this is your first time watching this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? And hit that bell notification so that you can get notified when I upload another video. So I went to Amazon to get some like plant-based things, some more healthier things. And this came right on time, right when I was about to make this salad. So this is Plant Junkies plant-based cilantro ranch dressing with avocado. Okay, see the avocado? So this is perfect. It came on time, and always on time with it. Got some super green powder. All right, to get some more greens, kales, moringa, and spirugula. What? That is not what that say. Anyways, super green powder. I got some of this PB Fits, which is 100% peanut butter protein. Okay, it's 9 grams of protein. I like to drink tea. And I don't know what this tastes like. I honestly don't know the difference between this and regular honey, but I will Google it. But this is raw manuka honey, some chia seeds, okay? And so I'm probably gonna add these chia seeds. These are great for omega-3s and also protein as well, okay? Let me get down here with y'all. I plan on using this in my smoothies. So, using these chia seeds in there. So yeah, let's get this salad started. So, first things first, we're going to be using this 50-50 baby spinach, the whole thing. That seems like enough. And I got this wider bowl specifically for salad making situations. Open these new ones. Now, you probably wondering how you trying to eat healthy and you eating bacon bits. Okay, it ain't gonna kill me. It's gonna make me stronger. Gonna mix that in like so, like that. I got these salad toss toppings just to give it a little bit more flavor. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of that in there. Sprinkle some of the bacon bits. And this is just single serve guacamole, because I feel like when I buy the whole entire thing, I end up wasting it. So I just get these single packs, and that way I'm not wasting a whole avocado. So this is plant-based cheese, so it says. I don't know how true that is, from Walmart. Just sprinkle a little on top. I'm just gonna dollop that on top, actually. A little bit closer. To just, there you go. I think that's enough for me. And I'll come back and let you know how it's all gonna taste. So here we go. And I'm gonna try and get a bite of everything mixed in together. I may have more sauce than salad here. The dressing is not really tangy, but you can taste the cilantro. Other than that, I think it tastes pretty good. I might throw a little seasoning on here next time just to give it a little bit more flavor. I didn't want to put like regular ranch because I didn't want it to upset my stomach or make my stomach start bubbling. So that's why I went with the plant-based, and it tastes okay. It's alright. It ain't all that in a bag of chips, but it's alright. Okay, so that's gonna do it for this video. Please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm about to eat all of this, and then I'm about to go get some Patti LaBelle banana pudding cups. Not the whole big thing now. She do sell them like in about this size cup. So I'm eating that after this. That's gonna be my dessert, and then we'll see what today holds. But that's gonna do it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment down below. What is your favorite type of salad that you like to eat? And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace.